43, understanding words. Louis was intelligent, creative and hardworking. In the sentence, hardworking is a compound adjective. A compound adjective is formed, compound adjective. A compound adjective is formed when two or more adjectives are used together to describe the noun. The words are often linked together with a small dash or hyphen. Now for example, the column A, column B. Well dressed. The first word is well dressed. My mother is talking to a well dressed man. Well dressed. Long hair. Long hair. That long haired lady who is having a long hair. Multi-color. Multi-color. Multicolored. We see multicolored kites in the sky. Red-faced. Red-faced. The clown is red-faced. Left-handed. Left-handed. Left. Collocations. What are collocations? Again, page 44. Page 44. What are collocations? Some words combine together naturally and form a common expression. Such words are called collocations. For example, when he arrived home for vacation, he was greeted warmly by his parents. Here, warmly combines naturally with greeted. Now look at the B part, the first. The child was tired and slept. Your two options are given, hurriedly, soundly. Soundly is the correct option. Soundly. The child saw soundly. The child slept soundly. The child was tired and slept soundly. Second, the children played happily, kindly in the new park. Happily. Second word is happily. Third, the parents spoke politely to the school watchman. Fourth, he walked quickly to catch the school bus. He walked brightly, quickly. That quickly is the correct option. He walked quickly to catch the school bus. Page number 44, understanding the rule. The present and the past participle. What are present participle? What are past participles? The ing form of the verb is known as the present participle. Ing form, present participle. The ed, d, n, t, en form of a verb when used with has or have are called past participles. What are past participles? Ed, d, n, t, en form of a verb when used with has or have are called past participles. Now fill in the blanks. Mohan dashed articles in the newspaper. Write is the word. You have to write wrote. Mohan wrote. Page number 45. Wrote. Page number 45. Here. Correct form of the verb. The word is write. Wrote. Mohan wrote articles in the newspaper. Second. Yesterday I dashed to see my aunt who lives in the countryside. I went. Yesterday I went to see my aunt. Yesterday I went to see my aunt who lives in the countryside. Go becomes went. Raman was dashed a beautiful picture. The word is drawn. Draw. D-R-A-W. Draw. You will use drawn. D-R-A-W-N. Drawn. My teacher has drawn a cartoon figure. Drawn. The Raman has drawn a beautiful picture. Drawn. Drawn. Fourth, Ram dashed a bicycle. Your word is ride. R-I-D-E. Ride. You will write road. Past tense of ride. Road. Rode. My sister is riding a bicycle. Right. Ram rode a bicycle. And fifth one, I have dashed my pocket money. Spent. I have spent my pocket money. Sixth, they dashed to picnic this week. They went. Go will become. They went for a picnic. Went. Sixth option is went. Seventh one, the child dashed, that his friends would take him along. Think, your word is think. It becomes thought, past tense. The child thought that his friend would take him along. Thought. Eighth, she has dashed the glass. Your word is break. It becomes broken. Past tense, broken. So I hope you understood, children. You wrote the correct forms. So for the first dash is wrote. Second is went. Third is drawn. D-R-A-W-N, drawn. Rode, horse riding or rode. Spent, went, thought, broken. Now page number 45, the B part. Raghav went to see a place. This is how we describe the event. Use the verbs in the bracket in the correct form. Verbs are given in the bracket form, but the correct form you have to put in the dashes. The Theatre Society dash organized. The word is organized. The Theatre Society organized. Open to page 45. Organized. Use the past tense. Organized. The Theatre Society organized a play at the City Convention Building, where many distinguished members of society, you will write B-E, B is the word, you will write had been. Second one is had been invited. Where many distinguished members of society had been invited. Most of the people in the audience dash be. Where? You will write where intellectuals and sensitive people. Most of the people in the audience were intellectuals and sensitive people who appreciate will become appreciated. Appreciated. Intellectuals and sensitive people who appreciated the intricacies of theatre and emotions. Display is the word. Display. Your word will be past tense. Display. Displayed by the actors. Such plays had been. B will become had been. Such plays had been often organized to bring awareness and sensitivity among the people. The theatre club, your word is cater there. Caters is the word to the interest of all classes of society, and your word is play. Place. I shall read once more. If you have missed any word, you can write. The Theatre Society organized a play at the City Convention Building where many distinguished members of society had been invited. Most of the people in the audience were intellectuals and sensitive people who appreciated the intricacies of theatre and the emotions displayed by the actors. Such plays had been often organized to bring awareness and sensitivity among the people. The theatre club caters to the interest of all classes of society and plays a major role in bringing a change in the society. Hope you got all the words, children. Now come to perfect tense. Perfect tense, page number 45. Perfect tense. perfect tense. Page 45. Raman has eaten all the candies. Raman has eaten. Perfect tense. The children have completed their homework. The verbs in the above sentence show the action that have just been completed. These are said to be in present perfect sense. They are formed by has or have and the past participle. Has or have and the past participle of the verb. The teacher dashed for a meeting. The word is went for a meeting. The teachers went for a meeting. My sister dashed Sunita for years. The teachers went for a meeting, first one. My sister dashed Sunita for years. Knew. Fill the blanks with the present perfect form of the verb. The teacher dashed for a meeting. The teacher has gone for it. The teachers have gone for it. Have gone. My sister dashed Sunita for years. My sisters had known. K-N had known. Sankalp dashed that book several times. Had read. Sankalp has read. H-A-S, has, sorry. It is has read that book several times. I dashed my keys. I had lost my keys. The children dashed the picture. The children had drawn the picture well. Dash, Ritu dash, eating. Has Ritu finished eating? Has Ritu finished eating? Now Gaurav has eaten his dinner when his parents came home. The girl had left for home even before she asked for. The two sentences refer to the two past events. One of the events happens before the other one. For example, Gaurav ate his dinner is one event. That happened before his parents came home. To convey the sense of past in the past, the first event uses the past perfect tense. They are formed by had and past participle. Fill in the blanks with past perfect form of the words given in the bracket. The mother dash cooked before her children had arrived home for school. Had cooked. The mother had cooked. Priya looked very tired because she dashed not well. Had not slept. Third, the children dashed the work before the teacher asked them to do so. Had completed. The children had completed the work before the teacher asked them to complete it. Fourth, we dashed our program before anyone agreed. We had finalized our program before. She dashed French before she visited France. She had learned French before. Now students, hope you understood. Now I will rewrite the following paragraph given. First is the present perfect sense and then in the past perfect by changing the highlighted verbs. Tina takes very good care of her home. She arranges the things in her room very neatly. She makes her own bed, placed in the center of the room, puts the books neatly on the table. She keeps her clothes in the cupboard in the corner of the room. She puts a mirror and two lovely dolls on a low shelf. During the holidays, she hopes to paint her room pink. Tina enjoys having her friends visit to her home. She entertains them and feeds them delicious snacks made by her loving mother. Her friends like her very much. Now, you are in a queue. You want to buy tickets. So this is all for today. And before going, please take down the homework, children, for today's homework. Now you are going to write 5 compound adjectives. 5 compound, write 5 compound adjective terms. Second one, page number 45. Page 45. Write the whole page. Write the whole page neatly. Third, page 46, the B part. Page 46, the B part, that is past perfect form of the word. Use past perfect form of the word. Past perfect form. Thank you, children. Hope you understood. You are with me listening to me about the compound adjectives and about the past perfect form of the word. Write the homework neatly and be safe, children. Practice SMS. S is for social distance, mask is for wearing, and S is for soap, using your soap to wash your hand and preventing from virus. Thank you for the patient listening. Thank you, children. Meet you in the next class.